Alright guys, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna paint these wheels, these lame ass wheels, black to match all the other blackness that's going on around the truck. So we got 1 can of Plasti dip per wheel. We're soaking right now in some warm water to help with atomization of the Plasti dip, help it go on better. Got my little spray trigger on that one to help the process go a little smoother. So I'm probably gonna add 6 coats, basically use up all the Plasti dip in each can per wheel. And afterwards we're gonna go in with about a coat of gloss to help it look nice. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll check back after each coat. Alright guys, so this is 2 coats of the black Plasti dip. Forgot to update after the first coat, got too excited. So that's 2 coats. After the first coat, it's supposed to be about like 50 to 60% transparency. After the second coat, it should be like almost full, like 80 or 90%. So that's where we're at right now. And now this is basically after 3 coats of the Plasti dip, which basically now is pretty much full coverage, but we still gotta do the whole can of Plasti dip. Otherwise, if you want to peel it or some crap, then it's not gonna come off cleanly. So that's why you gotta do the whole thing. And also for durability, because that's what I'm concerned about. I don't really want to peel it, I want it to be durable. So that's why you gotta put down the whole can per wheel. And yeah, so far it's changing the look of the whole truck and I love it. Alright guys, so basically we did 10 coats black Plasti dip, which was basically all the amount for 1 can per wheel. So it's definitely going to be durable and whatnot. This is the overspray that's already starting to peel off. So afterwards I'm gonna peel that off. There's some plastic bags underneath to cover brake mechanisms and the rotors, as always. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm gonna put on 1 coat of gloss and then we should be done. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. 1 coat of gloss, over 10 black coats of Plasti dip. As you can see, there's a little bit of a shine to it, which I like, but it's not too much. It's not over the top. Some people like to add more coats of gloss. I'm more of a maybe a satin finish, where it's a little shiny but still has that matte look to it. There you have it. So as you can see with the whole car, the whole theme that I have on it, how it's white and everything that's not white is basically black. Flows really nicely with that. There you go, beautiful. Check out the front. There you go. Oh, beautiful. There you have it. Also too, I did the Honda wheels as well. That was basically the same procedure. It's got 1 coat of gloss over like 10 coats of black Plasti dip. So definitely changes the look of the whole vehicle. That's what I love. So now I got 2 vehicles, both white, black wheels. Now I can sit and enjoy the sunrise.